Okay, I'm running a Lenovo ThinkPad W520 running Windows 10 1904, and if you notice, the display capture actually works, and it took a while to get to where that was. And the main reason is because when OBS starts up, it for some reason chose the NVIDIA Quadro 1000M graphics display instead of the Intel HD graphics, and when the laptop starts up, it uses the Intel HD graphics for the screen display. So what you get is a blank, and if you look at where am I? If you look at this, here's OBS black screen. There's all kinds of information, and essentially nothing worked until I found Chris's tutorials. And what he says is you start up NVIDIA's control panel, and here's another wonderful thing. You type in NV, no NVIDIA. So if you type in control panel, there's your NVIDIA control panel. Somewhere here. Here it is. You go to Manage 3D Settings. You go to Program Settings. And when I first got in here, he just went like this and everything came on. When I did it, only the Microsoft and Windows stuff was here. So what you have to get to is Add. Go to Add and choose OBS Studio. And once that's selected, you go down here and choose the integrated graphics. Once that's done, everything works like it should. And that is how you get this thing to work. It took me probably about 5 hours to find this, so that's why I'm putting this video out, to help those that hopefully didn't find Chris's video. Oh, and Chris also has a thing that says you could go to the device manager and try to disable the integrated, the Intel graphics, and I'm not sure that'll work, but I do know that if when I disabled the Quadro 1000M graphics, the OBS Studio, before I set up the program for the NVIDIA control panel, it would give a segment fault, so it never could get up. So that is how you do the get OBS to record the screen. Hope that helps.